Calvin, do you have paint all over you?
Mm-hmm.
And Sissy getting you all clean.
Oh.
That's a sweet sister.
Yes. Oh. Can you flip them over? Not done yet.
I think he might need a bath, sis. What do you think?
I don't think so.
You think you can get him clean?
Yeah, I think you can. Now open up like this. No.
He opened up his mouth.
Close up like this. You're so funny. Okay, yeah. No. Okay. You're funny. I say you're so funny. Stop it. Enough.
He said, "Stop it, enough." Are you all done, Calvin? Are you all done, Calvin?
Oh, he has some on his legs.
Oh, goodness, not on his legs, too.
I guess your legs are...
Calvin, you're a messy painter.
Super messy painter. Mama!
Can you say, "Can I get down, please"?
Oh.
Can I get down, please?
And open.
Sissy will get you down. Sissy, will you get him down?
Not quite yet. Now Sissy's gonna get you down. Oh, too wet.
There we go. All done.